Yo, what's up family? In today's video, we're going to be doing the long-term review on the Stainless Works and MMX Modern Muscle Extreme off-road mid-pipes. So if you are wondering about this mod and what I think of the mod long-term, stick around guys, because we're going to find out just that. Oh yeah. Yo, what's up YouTube? Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. If you are new to this channel, do me a huge favor, smash that subscribe button. You're definitely not going to want to miss all the awesome videos we have in store for you, just like the one we are doing today, the long-term review on the MMX Stainless Works off-road mid-pipes, Catless mid-pipes. So basically, like I said, I have had the mid-pipes installed on my 2015 Dodge Charger Scat Pack for, gosh, at least a couple months now, couple thousand miles, and I'm basically going to tell you guys what I think of the product long term. Do I like it and do I love it? So we are going to find out, guys. Basically, I think this is probably one of the best modifications for the money. They were about $350 or so, give or take, on the price. And it, again, this is a full bolt-on. There is no cutting, there is no welding. So, you know, if things happen down the road, which we'll talk about later, or it's too loud, you don't like it, you can always reverse it. You can always reverse it without, I mean, your exhaust is not going to be chopped up in pieces. You can take the pieces you remove and put those babies back on in place and call it a day. No big deal. So I think it is a win-win. Now, as far as sound and adding power goes, again, it is the best modification for your money, along with a mid-muffler delete. And let me tell you why. It makes the car just sound scary, aggressive, loud, like a NASCAR. I will throw some clips in here.
A few moments later.
Damn! Again, this is kind of the long-term review. I do have the install video, which you can watch. I will put a banner up here, and that one has, I mean, most of the content as far as revs, pulls, etc. But I will throw a few of those clips in here as well. but it is the best mod for the money for sound and performance. Again, this is all without a tune, guys. You can throw these pipes on your car without a tune as long as you use the O2 extenders. The O2 extenders are basically going to fool the exhaust into thinking the cats are still there, so you won't get any codes on your dash. If you install these without the extenders, you may get a code on your dash, etc. So something to think about if your car's brand new, you're worried about warranty stuff. I mean, you may not want to do it. If you are the type of person that, I mean, you just want loud and powerful, this is the mod for you guys. I mean, you are gonna absolutely love it. Now, keep in mind, the off-road mid pipes and the cats are, I mean, it's kind of a big deal. If you get pulled over and they check you with the mirror, I mean, things could get nasty real fast. If you're in California, you can get a state rev ticket and ultimately basically have to reverse a lot of your modifications back to stock. So, I mean, something to think about, guys. I mean, it's not one of those mods where it's okay, it's just a mid muffler delete, you know, no big deal. But think about that before you know, plan on going this route, because, you know, I don't want anybody to get in trouble for any reason whatsoever. But you know, obviously I'm trying to get everybody the best sound and the best mods for your money when you watch this channel. So, I mean, for performance and sound, it is just a win-win. It's absolutely amazing, and I could not be happier with my decision. So I will put links in the video description on where you can get these products and get these installed for your vehicle. You can install these at home on a lift. I mean, at home on jack stands. It's not going to be the most easiest thing to do, but it is possible. So I do recommend, you know, going to an exhaust shop when you do the installation and getting them installed, you know, by your exhaust guy or anybody, a buddy that has a lift, because it'll make it that much easier when you have the room. So if anybody has been wondering about the modification, I mean, it is just a 10-10 as far as I'm concerned. I haven't had any issues with check engine lights. One thing that you will want to do, you know, after a couple hundred miles, or if it starts, you know, smelling, is make sure everything's tight. I went down to the exhaust shop here recently and we retightened everything just to make sure everything was tightened down and how it should be. So, I mean, it's just a win-win, guys. And like I said, if you sell the car, you can remove the parts and sell those on the side, or I mean, leave them on the car, whatever you want to do, guys. This is fully bolt-on stuff.
Nice.
And it just makes the install and the removal, if needed, simple. So be sure to check the video description. I have awesome information on just the video itself, awesome affiliate links, codes for you to save some money. All of my social media handles, be sure you follow me there so you stay up to date with everything we're doing and don't miss anything. You can also turn the bell on for post notifications via YouTube, and that way you will never miss videos as they go live on YouTube, and you can stay 100% up to date with all things Hemifam, guys. So yeah, like I said, if anybody is wondering, I have been getting lots of questions as far as what do I think long term, do I still have them? is it something they should do to their car? And hopefully this video will kind of help you make a better decision as far as what you're gonna get long term. And I think the car sounds absolutely amazing. I have been stopped on the highway for my taillight tint, and they didn't question anything on the exhaust. So, but I mean, if you womp it down Main Street and the cop's sitting at the light or down the block, you might get in trouble, guys. So use professionally or responsibly, because if not, I mean, if you get checked with that mirror and they see your muffler delete and everything else, things could get bad really fast, especially if you live in California and pretty much in all 50 states. So now if you have a race car, it's basically a track car, you trailer it, you don't drive it on the streets, I mean, you are 100% good to go. Just like headers and everything, you can just basically run that baby raw, and you're not going to have any issues because it's not a street registered vehicle. So just some things to think about when going this route with the Catless mid pipes. But for the 392 Hemi, it has made a huge difference. I am so impressed with it. I could not be happier. A buddy of mine also has some installed on his Hellcat, and the same thing. The car sounds super nasty, and it runs pretty damn good. He recently just got it tuned, so it's running it even better, guys. But the Catless mid pipes is definitely something I would have on my list. As far as mods going, definitely one of the best mods for your money as far as I'm concerned. And obviously that is if you're down to go that route. Some people are like, no, you know what, I don't want to touch the cats, and that's fine. Like I said, it's not for everybody, but I mean, if you're just that guy that wants loud, raw power, this is the mod for you guys, and I would check the video description and check it out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's right. Even just cruising around, this thing is an absolute monster. Whether it's downshifting, hard pulls, manual mode, revs, I mean, the list just literally goes on and on. Right now I'm just cruising, like literally just like a normal human being, is driving like a Honda or some shit, and it sounds amazing. Second gear, hit third, and now time for the downshift. The gurgle and that pop is just intense. Sometimes it sounds like a gun, guys. And so if you like that gurgle, that pop, you're gonna love this. Pop, 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 pop. Just like popcorn. guys just listen to that? Oh my gosh. It makes me happy every time I start the car. So yeah guys, even at idle, it just sounds absolutely nasty. A lot of times people are like, sounds like you have a cam. How do I get my car to sound like that? And I tell them, well, you gotta watch this video. Video coming up on the Nitto NTO5Rs and 315s, which is basically like riding on marshmallows. If anybody wants lawn care videos, let me know guys. We'll teach you how to mod your Hemi and also how to grow some nice green lawn. So you know, that's pretty much it guys. We are going to wrap up this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss future videos. We have lots of car modification videos, vlogs, pretty much all things Mopar is on this channel guys. And we really appreciate each and everybody's support and, you know, everything that you do for the for us. So be sure to subscribe if you are not a subscriber already. Turn the bell on for post notifications and check the video description for the awesome info and links we have set up for you guys to save some money and buy some really cool awesome things guys. So I mean, with that being said, we will go ahead and end this video here. So everybody, I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you soon. Peace.